somebody thirsty for another dollar just so you could say I owe it to you. They love you when you want, soon as something going wrong.
Alright everyone, so I'm not going to be showing my face in this video because I'm looking a little crazy today. But for the Hellofresh meals, I did want to show you guys what and how easy it is to make these meals. So for this particular meal, I'm going to be making the amazing apricot chicken with potatoes and green beans. And all of these items right here are what was included in this bag that was sent to me. So for the first and second steps, as you can see, I've already washed and cut up my veggies. I have the green beans, I have the potatoes, and I have my oven preheated to 425 degrees. No, I have it preset to 415 degrees. So we are finna to continue getting this meal started. So now what I want to do is season my vegetables and drizzle some olive oil on those so that I can go ahead and throw those in the oven. Since this meal is only, let's see how many calories, because I don't want to add extra calories to this meal. This meal has, after this meal is prepared, you guys, this meal only has 550 calories. So I'm going to use exactly what they tell me. Nothing more, nothing less. That beep was my oven. And right here I have some extra virgin olive oil. I'm just going to, fill this top and just drizzle it. Well, maybe I should put my seasonings first. For my seasonings, I'm going to be using garlic salt and Mrs. Dash, simply because it does not have any sodium in it. So we don't want to throw the sodium up in this meal at all. I also want to add, and this is my cap full of olive oil. And I'm just adding to this, and then I'm going to mix it all up. Because like I said, we don't want to add too many calories to this. And 1 tablespoon of this olive oil is 120 calories. So I don't know if this meal, well, it told me to add olive oil, so I'm pretty sure they added the calories for the olive oil. Now I cut up some shallots. You guys know that's nothing but a baby purple onion. And now I'm just gonna mix all of this up together to get the oil and the seasonings evenly coated everywhere. And I feel like adding the onion would give it like some really good flavor. And then purple onions are sweet anyway once they're cooked. So I think this is ready to go. Now I'm going to mix up my green beans. Make So they're evenly coated. Okay, so I think this is ready to go. Now I'm just about to place this in the oven for 30 minutes and let this cook. Alright, so next step is to work on the chicken. Now, I already washed this chicken, but what I want to do now is I want to pat it dry with a paper towel, get all the extra water out. Drizzle it, not drizzle it. And all we're gonna do is pan fry this in the skillet. So I think that is dry now. So I'm gonna season both sides with garlic salt. Oh my gosh, my camera is trying to die, y'all. But in case my camera die, like I said, I'm just gonna pan sear this in a skillet. Okay, make sure I'm getting garlic salt everywhere. But I want to show you guys. Oh, I really hope my camera don't die. I'm just getting this seasoning in. Rub it in all over both sides. I'm putting my my stove to medium high heat, or just medium. Okay, now the chicken is ready to go. So I'm about to pan sear this. Just see that. Okay, let me put this on medium. So I'm about to pan sear this, and then for the apricot jam, I'm gonna show you guys how I prepare that. So stay tuned. I apologize if my quality is a little off, but this is the chicken. I'm just, you know, searing it in the pan, making sure it's gonna be done on both sides. Well, until there's no more pink. And then my green beans and potatoes are, you know, doing their thing. They look, they're coming along. So I'm gonna let my camera continue to charge as much as it can for a little bit. And I'm also gonna record how I make this sauce to get the apricot chicken. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this. Since my camera's done, I'm hoping it'll charge enough until I'm ready to use it again. And I just want to show you guys that I am not lying when I say amazing apricot chicken. Before the food is cooked, it is 420 calories. After it's cooked, 550 calories. That's when I added the seasonings. That's when I added the olive oil to, you know, help cook these ingredients, plus the tablespoon of, not the tablespoon, but the teaspoon of butter that I added to help make this sauce. So if you guys find this very easy, it's very convenient, it cuts down on going to the store. They deliver every Saturday morning around 10 a.m. at your door. I've never had a late arrival. So if you guys think you will love this. Please be sure to check it out, and like I said, I will leave my coupons in the video so that you guys can enjoy these meals as well. And I hope you guys enjoy.